how to scan documents with WhatsApp directly. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to scan documents with WhatsApp directly. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply select the chat where you want to send the document to. And now here, once you're inside the chat, just tap on the paperclip icon which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you do that, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you can just tap on documents option. And now here on the next page, you can either choose the documents or the photo of documents from your gallery, or you can either scan the document live by tapping on scan document option. And now here in this section, you can just take the photo of the document that you want to scan. And now here, once you're done capturing it, the WhatsApp will scan the document for you. And here, once it's scanned, you can just tap on next and send that particular document to the person. And that's it. That's how you can scan documents in WhatsApp chat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.